Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Busha from Beauty Buzz by Busha. Those who are new, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. First of all, I would like to say sorry because after so long time I'm going to create this makeup tutorial on this platform. I think I couldn't make any kind of content for 5 to 6 months. But from now, I will be regular on this platform and will entertain you with some amazing contents. Today I'm going to create a black smoky eye look, which is my signature eye look, and I always prefer to carry this black smoky eye look with a western or traditional outfit, and you guys also like it. So yeah, today I'm going to create this look. Without doing any further ado, let's get into the video. First, I am starting with my skincare. I'm going to use this Boots Glow Essence. This one. For moisturizer, I'm going to use Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel. This one. It's a very light moisturizer, guys, and best for oily and acne prone skin because it absorbs very quickly. Guys, behind the camera I did my eyebrows, and today I have used this iMagic Pro brow pomade in the shade dark brown. Now I'm going to clean my brows area with the help of a flat brush and some concealer. It will help to look your eyebrows more chisel and sharp. And let's do this. I have taken some concealer, and now I'm going to clean my brow bone and some other area with the help of this concealer. Now, with the help of a compact, I'm going to lock my concealer, thus it doesn't make any kind of crease. And I'm using this JCat Mineral Compact in the shade Natural Fawn. Okay guys, for my black smoky eye look, today I'm going to use this beautiful colorful eyeshadow palette from the brand called Root Cosmetics. It's a European brand where you can find 30 different colorful eyeshadow, and it's very pigmented and very eye-catching, I must say. In Bangladesh, you can find this palette in BD Budget Beauty, and in India, this palette is available on hookmakeup.com. So here you can see like so many colors are available. Like to create a black smoky eye look, we need some mauve brown undertone color to create a beautiful transition color, and then a very pigmented black eyeshadow, which all are available on this palette. So that's why I'm going to use this palette. So let's start with my eye makeup. Okay guys, so first I'm taking this shade, and the name of this shade is So Rare. This one, it's a very warm undertone brown, and I am going to use this shade as my transition color. Wow, this is so pigmented, guys, as you can see. Now I'm going to use this Rimmel 24 hours ultimate black waterproof kajal, this one. Guys, this is a bomb. It's so intense and so black. So this kajal is perfect for creating a black smoky eye look, and using this kajal I'm going to create my black base. Now with the help of a smudging brush, I'm going to smudge my black kajal with a dark brown eyeshadow. I'm taking this very dark brown color to smudge my black eyeshadow, black kajal. Okay, so eye makeup is almost done. Few things are left, but now I'm going to use this gel eyeliner from the brand called Inglot. Oh, focus. This one. I'm going to apply this gel eyeliner. Now for mascara, I'm going to use a Too Faced Better Than Sex, this mascara. This one. I really love this mascara, guys. It literally just lifts your eyelash, gives a volume and length as well. Okay guys, I'm stopping my eye makeup here. Now I'm going to start my base makeup. After completing my base, I will complete my rest of the eye makeup. So first, for my primer, today I'm going to use this Wet n Wild matte face primer. This one. It will give you a matte finish, but it will also hydrate your skin. To color correct my skin and to hide my acne marks and dark circles of my under eyes, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. This one. Instead of this shade, you can also use orange color corrector. And with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend this concealer. For foundation, today I'm going to use LA Girl Pro HD foundation in the shade Soft Honey, this one, and Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. I'm going to mix these two shades to create my perfect shade. Guys, I'm using this ColourPop concealer, creamy concealer in the shade 100W, this one, as my highlighting concealer. I will apply a little bit of this concealer just to highlight my under eyes. Okay guys, for baking I'm using Technique color correcting powder in the shade yellow, this one. For blush, I'm using first this Milani baked blush, this one. And then I'm applying this Bella blush in the shade, Juvia's blush in the shade Bella. It's quite pigmented, guys. Lock my whole base makeup with help of this Wet n Wild Photo Finish Natural Setting Spray. I'm going to lock my base makeup. And for highlighter, today I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. This one. Now I'm going to complete my rest of the eye makeup. Now I will smudge my black kajal with brown eyeshadow from this Root Cosmetics palette. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corner. And I'm using a very tiny brush to highlight my inner corner, and I'm taking this shade. This is so pretty, guys. Some mascara for lower lash line. And today for lipstick, I'm using two lipsticks. One liquid lipsticks from Makeup Revelation in the shade Stripped, this one. And top of that, I'm going to use a MAC lipstick in the shade Mocha. This is a very beautiful nude color, guys. I really love this one. Perfect nude color for black smoky eye. And top of that, I'm going to use MAC Mocha. Mocha or Mocha? And I am done. Now, after wearing some exclusive jewelries, I will come back to show you my entire look. Okay? Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If so, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and also hit the bell button that you can have more updates. This beautiful jewelry is from Madhuja collection. Link is on my screen, you can check this out. And if you're interested, then you can watch my next video where I am going to share my recent jewelry haul. So for now, I am leaving. I will come back soon with a brand new content. Till then, take care, bye, be happy, stay healthy, and I love you all.